Welcome to the Easy AliExpress ePacket Finder. This is Chase from Dropified, and we have created a tool just for you to help make your life easier finding products on AliExpress that use ePacket shipping. So let's take a look and I'll show you how it works. So right after you install, you will see the thank you page, and this will be your icon for your Chrome extension. So let's go over to AliExpress. I'm going to refresh this search page here and show you. You can see the search page, and there's nothing that's really happening here so far. It's just a normal search page. Now, in order to activate this, you'll just click on the Chrome extension, enter in your email address, and this will activate the extension for you. And now you can enable the ePacket identifications, show the processing time, and you can even hide products without ePacket. And we'll get into that in just a second. Let me show you how this works. All right, so you can see the ePacket information shows up. It tells you what the price is, which country that it's from. It's from the US there, if you hover over it. This one shows no ePacket information. And you can see here, all of these mostly are free. This one is $6.07 for ePacket shipping. If you go down here, you can see the prices are now highlighted in green. If you hover over it, it will show the original price. If you go off of it, it shows you the price plus the cost of the ePacket shipping. In this case, it's free. But if you go over here, let's to one that costs, this one's $6. So if I hover over this, you'll notice that the price will drop. So just like that, you can see that $6.07 is being taken off. So this saves you, or just at a glance, gives you a view of all the products, and now you don't have to click into each product like this and try to see what the shipping is. You see this one doesn't have ePacket, so now I have to go back out and try the next one. This one from China, it does have ePacket, so we're good there. But you can see just how time consuming that is. So with the Easy AliExpress ePacket Finder, now you can have everything at a glance, all of the ePacket information at a glance. So if you click on the extension, let me just walk you through the different things that are available. So if you ever need to turn this off, you can simply just click this, and that will remove those. You'll also notice that the processing time is showing. So you can enable and disable that as well. Processing time is the amount of time that it takes on average for the AliExpress supplier to get your order, process it, package it up, and actually send it out to you or your customer. Now you can also choose this option, hide products without ePacket. And this simply will just kind of gray out any of the products that don't have ePacket here. So you can see, it just makes it a little more visually appealing, visually easy to use. And the last thing we have here is an admin ad section. So if you use the AliExpress affiliate account, you can actually sign up for admin ad and enter your ID here, which will allow you to earn the commissions there. All right, so the other cool thing that you can do is you can add multiple countries or just target your specific country that you're interested in. If I wanted to just look at the United Kingdom, I could just do that, or I could look at multiple places at once. So let me show you what it looks like with multiple countries selected. I will hit apply changes. And now when I look, whenever this refreshes, you can see this has ePacket for both the Canada and the US. Canada and the US, this one has the UK and the US here. And if you hover over it, it will actually show you the pricing for those as well. So that will allow you just to look, especially if you have customers in multiple areas, you can get a sense of what ePacket shipping is available for those countries. All right, so if you're interested in this, this is completely free to use. But if you're interested in more automation, drop shipping automation for AliExpress, Dropified has a whole suite of tools. Feel free to check it out. If not, no worries. Enjoy this free ePacket Finder from folks at Dropified.